Hey guys, how are you doing? In the last two episodes, we have explored everything about iOS 18 home screen customization and control center features, how you can customize and so on. Right now, we are going to see how to use the hide and lock applications after installing iOS 18. It is not yet officially released. The end of the September is the time where all the iPhones, compatible iPhone models will receive the iOS 18, and right now with the developer beta 1, the interesting feature that we have now is hide and lock apps. As you can see, simply long tap on any application and select require face ID, and that will immediately show you the prompt whether to hide and require face ID or just require face ID. By default, the stock applications like Photos and all other Apple stock applications shows only require face ID. We cannot hide these apps, but for third-party apps, as you can see on the screen, it also shows as the second option, hide and require face ID. Maybe in upcoming betas, Apple will fix this, I think, if it is a bug and if they want us to hide any app, that is present on your device. So this is a very useful feature. Previously, we were depending on the screen time feature-based third-party applications, and now this feature is built in to the iOS, and by the end of the September, when it is officially available, you will be able to use this. So you will see the prompt with instructions about that the app will be completely removed. It won't be visible in the search, also in Spotlight search and in the app library. As you can see, I have just performed hide and lock for the Facebook application, and it completely disappeared. So in the app library, if you want to bring back the application or access the locked application, hidden application especially, you need to select the hidden folder at the bottom of the app library. Once the Face ID verification is done, you can see the list of applications that's hidden and locked on your iOS device. And in order to bring it back after unlocking, you need to long press the app icon and then tap on Add to Home Screen. You can also do it directly from App Library or from Spotlight Search to bring back the icon back to your home screen. As you can see in the second screenshot, the Add to Home Screen is the one you need to select to bring back the icon, to unhide and bring back the icon back to your home screen. I hope this video helped you to understand iOS 18 hide and lock feature. For more, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video useful, feel free to share it with your friends. Before updating to iOS 18, they may also find this information useful. Thank you and have a wonderful day.